How you heard him say that? I heard him say it. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, here, right? He did it! Go! Oh, he did it! Yeah! Hell, 400.
Who labeled you a stepper, nigga? I was jumping off before first period, you was eating breakfast, nigga. Call my Glock, DMs cause it's gonna send you a message, nigga. Ride around, stolen cars, how about snatch your necklace, nigga? Stop.
Why you doing so fragile?
What you mean?
Fragile.
You mean fragile.
Seatbelt buckle.
Seatbelt time.
Damn, bro, it's hot.
My car been sitting.
I thought you were just on the road.
I was with Brandon. He was driving his car.
Oh. Where that start button at?
Bro, really?
Nah, I'm just playing.
Nah, I got that.
Yeah, this man
Bro,
got... Hey, let me pop the hood real quick.
But nah, bro, relax.
What do you mean?
Relax. You better close that. Bro, ain't nothing under there, bro.
You got a down pipe.
Nah, bro. Nothing.
What's that?
Stop.
Alright.
Stop.
876 down pipe.
Yo, bro, get in the car. About to let him do his thing. Get my people. Relax, bro. Oh, man. I haven't been in the passenger seat like in a long time.
Where you drive your car so far?
Robert.
Yeah, true.
Yes.
So that's the only time you've been in the passenger seat of your car?
Yeah.
I feel unsafe with no seatbelt.
Put seatbelt on.
Yeah, it's already buckled.
Unbuckle it. What do you mean?
All this extra work, you know what I'm saying? Safety first, you gotta promote safety. You know what's so funny? This man always talking about, oh, I'm a safe driver. You gotta promote safety. This man don't even be wearing the damn seatbelt. He got buckle behind him.
Yeah, I do.
The seat be wearing a seatbelt. You don't be wearing a seatbelt.
I'll be wearing the seatbelt, bro.
Damn, we gotta manually do this? Oh my god.
No. I'm like, bro, what's up with you?
Yeah.
This man. Here we go, bro. This man. Bro, you know what I just did, bro?
Let this thing warm up. Huh?
You know what I just did?
What?
I just shifted with my left hand and just tried to back up. I'm like, bro, what am I doing?
You know when you said something about crack the other day? You sure you don't do crack, bro?
Bro, relax. This nigga talking about some crack.
Bro, you guys gotta go watch that video. This man was like, it's like we all on crack. I'm like, nigga, who you talking about? You talking about yourself.
What you mean?
So that light up. I mean, I don't want to sit. Look at my shit. Look at my shit. Look at my shit.
Yo, bro, this bed is fucking. Man, you ain't gonna hit no points in comfort mode. Well, the car gotta. Yo, what's up with you?
I'm feeling out the steering, bro.
Out the steering?
You gotta. No, I'm feeling out the steering. You gotta.
Bro, what are you doing?
You gotta know the car, know how like it steers. You know, some cars don't turn that.
What? What?
I just gotta make sure it's good.
No, don't do that.
I gotta give it the FASTLIFE check. FASTLIFE
check?
FASTLIFE diagnostics.
What? No, don't do this.
Remember?
Again, bro.
No,
don't do this.
remember,
Don't do this.
hold on. Maybe I'll go watch that video where I drove his Q50 back when he had the Q50 Joker. I drove it. He was like, bro, my car feel like it's turbo. Like, my car, I can't even press down on my pedal. I was like, bro, your floor mat is right behind the pedal and it's like stopping you from pressing it down. We moved the floor mat. This man was flying down the road. Oh, my car feel way better. Like,
bro, I didn't know.
FASTLIFE diagnosed, man.
FASTLIFE
Car diagnosed by FASTLIFE Prince himself. Me. Hit me up in DM, Instagram, FASTLIFE Prince. You know what I'm saying? Just a small fee of $500,000.
Yo, you know the man don't even answer DMs, so don't even waste your time.
What are you talking about? Yes, I do. Bro, this man trolling.
Yeah,
this man trolling.
DM if you want to.
This man trolling.
That's gonna be left right there.
That's hilarious. So let's put this thing in sport mode.
Car warmed up, sport mode.
Oh, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
What you? God dang. Now that's how you moving? Now that's how you coming?
Oh, okay. See right there? Little 400.
400.
Little 400?
God damn.
Little 400?
What you trying to say? Lil 400.
I'm not saying nothing about it.
Talking some Lil 400.
Ooh, you're the little verbals.
Verbals, huh? Gas.
Oh, yeah. Damn, bro. They better not put me on no fuel reserve like my car.
Nah, you should be straight. Alright.
Woo!
Alright. Whoa. Relax now.
Woo! Hey, you hear that?
Relax now. God damn.
Damn, nigga.
I gotta hold this, man.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. Man, put this thing in that manual.
Manual mode.
Yeah. What you talking about?
That's how you drive BMWs?
That's how you're supposed to drive BMW.
You're supposed to?
40. 30, bro. Woo. Get a little pop.
What's up,
Pop,
man?
man. Woo. Woo.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yo, this man funny, bro.
Okay.
God damn. What was that, little 40-year-old?
Little 40.
Little 40-year-old?
Little 40. Hey, bro, I'm not gonna lie, this Buick nice, bro. It's a nice Buick.
Buick nice, huh? God
Power
damn.
to it, bro.
Got some power to it. They gonna have some power when that 876 come on. That shit really gonna hit different.
I don't want to hurt this man's ears.
You know
My shit from early, you know what I'm saying?
little baby.
Yeah, dog. About to run out of gas.
Shit. Gonna go to the gas station. So when you get to that light, make it right. Yeah. I'm telling you, bro, when that XHP hit, that just gonna be crazy. How you gonna like, what, bah? That just gonna be crazy. Woo. Pop, dude. God damn, that boy said he's slow.
You forgot that we're driving your car.
Nah, that boy said you slow. He said he's seeing your car.
How you heard him say that?
I heard him say it.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Right here, pull it. Oh my!
Bro, I don't know what you're talking about, bro.
Oh!
How you heard him say that?
Ooh. Bob logo, come on. Whoop, whoop.
We're going 40 miles per hour.
Did he come out? Oh, he didn't come out. Boy, oh boy.
Oh shit, he is coming, bro.
Oh! Yeah! He coming!
Oh!
Go! Oh, he tripping! He tripping! Yeah! Oh, he's tripping! Dog tripping! Oh, dog!
Nah, I'm just playing, bro. We in Mexico right now.
Mexico?
He's not even on duty, bro.
Yeah, alright.
What you talking about?
God damn. Yeah, that been right there. Sheesh.
That's nice.
Yeah. Little son. It's a little daily driving. Not too crazy. That's a little daily. I know.
So I can spin it.
Spin it. Yeah, shit, you ain't at that level yet. Relax.
What are you talking about?
Relax.
Did you not see when I spun Robert's Hellcat?
What
Did you
that
not see
mean?
when I spun the M3?
Nah, bro. You ain't spin it. You went around in circles. You went around in circles. I put a little gas in Zoom because I forgot. What happened, bro? So, we filling it up. Oh, my shit?
Calling you out.
Calling who out? I'll hop in the driver's seat and go crazy real quick. Relax.
Calling you out, bro.
Get some gas real quick and we back to Mexico. You feel me?
Why didn't you do that first time?
Sport Plus? I didn't know if you could handle it. And it had no gas in
Are
it.
you serious? Oh, it had no gas in it.
It had no gas in it. Yeah. Hell 400.
You heard that?
Them gunshots.
That just sounds crazy. That just sounds crazy.
We got a lip on a Malibu. God.
Yup.
Yeah, Sport Plus open it up, boy. Damn.
Nah, bro, I gotta go.
Damn.
Hey, bro. Valid.
coming for your ass. You like, tighten up.
You said who?
That old lady, like, in Mexico with it. Go ahead.
What is wrong with this man, bro?
She can't slide in, man.
Woo! God. Okay. Where the thing at?
That bitch moving crazy. Alright, so that's gonna be it for this video, you feel me? This man was driving Zoom. What's your opinions on Zoom 1 to 10? On the Buick. On the Buick, yeah.
Hey, bro. Pretty impressive for a Buick.
Here we go. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post
Also, go watch my video where Vaughn drove my machine.
You feel me?
Saying?
I'm gonna put it on like a card up here or something like that so y'all can get the link to the
This
video.
man was wild on my car.
No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't.
I wasn't even going crazy.
No, I wasn't.
I wasn't even going that crazy. You look at it in traction over there. You gotta be
Wow. We got gas now, but we about to go link up and make some more content. I'm on the road to 3,000 subscribers, probably like 299 now.
I'm pretty sure you had 3,000.
Probably. Next is 5,000 subscribers. Keep it. Keep on subscribing. Turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. It's been your boy Vaughn.
It's your boy FASTLIFE Prince. Go subscribe, man.
There we go.
Riding stolos, boy, we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Not a little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. We don't ride in stolos, boy, we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Not a little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. If you ain't from around here, don't come around here. TLC better creep in the house. Walk out the door, don't leave a fire. Hey, on probation, chief of mine. Heard your favorite rapper, cat that nigga, they'll be telling lies. Go to war with 24 court, you might as well be a sacrifice. See some shady shit, I ate, told Lil Speedy past 9. If you play, you know the rest, where Lil Tay gon' lay it down. We smoke, runs, elevate your mind. Close the door, they ain't safe outside. Fuck what you heard, I don't play by mine. Fuck what you heard, I don't play by mine. Can't fuck no little thought hoe. About cheese ain't talking nacho. If you know about Polo Mike, that's Mr. Runch, you know he got dope. Heard you freeze up under pressure, got cold feet, that me and sauce cold. If you try to grease the piece and it won't go, that me and my dough. Your own dime won't let you grease, it can't be me, cause me I got hoes. I be laughing to the cheese. If you know cheese, you know he got jokes. Free Lil Maya, JBB, Frank One, Nixon, and El Chapo. Got some shit that make it top float. Got some shit that'll let your ops know. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Not a little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Not a little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Not a little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. Gotta be smoking runs. Gotta be smoking runs. Vietnam, nah. Gotta be smoking runs. Leave it at one. Gotta be smoking. Zaza.